Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to win girls over text. Your first message sets the tone, so make it count. Instead of a bland hello, try something unique that references a shared experience or a detail from her profile. This shows genuine interest and effort, making her more likely to respond. Aim for a message that is both intriguing and easy to reply to, perhaps with an open-ended question. Once you've got her attention, keep the conversation lively. Ask questions that require more than a yes or no answer, like, what's the most adventurous thing you've ever done? Share a funny story or a cool discovery from your day to invite her into your world. Remember, enthusiasm is contagious, so let your positive energy shine through your texts. Building a genuine connection is key. Inject humor into your texts, but ensure it's lighthearted and not offensive. A well-placed GIF or a witty remark can go a long way. Discover shared hobbies or passions and discuss them to build rapport. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Don't try to be someone you're not, as genuine connections are built on honesty. The ultimate goal is to meet in person. After a few engaging conversations, suggest a casual date. Think coffee, a walk in the park, or a quick drink, something low pressure. Propose a specific day, time, and location to make it easy for her to say yes. For example, how about grabbing coffee at the Daily Grind this Saturday at 2 p.m.? Confirm the details and express your anticipation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.